Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I would like to create some romantic spring looks using Colourpop products. So this one is the Truly Madly Deeply palette. This is a Blush Crush palette. And this is a Colourpop Strawberry blush that came out sometime last year, which I think is really pretty and wonderful for this season. This is the Madly Deeply shades, very spring rosy. And this is the blush palette, which is also very nice and kind of rosy. So I'm going to apply the Youth Glow Brightening from Charlotte Tilbury. It is just a dot. Just with my fingertips, I'm applying it all over my forehead, around my nose. Then I will, oh, my hair is coming undone. I guess my little clip didn't want to work, so I'm just gonna lift it here, kind of pin it there. I know, first central, what can I do? That's my hair. I'm gonna use my Origins ginseng for the eyes. I'm going to just puff it out here, and then with the sponge tip, bingo, done. For this look, I'm not gonna contour, but I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I like to do it this way. Then I will use my Tati Blendable, kind of fold it and pat it and swipe and blend. I'm going to use my NARS eyeshadow budge proof primer. Just going to dab a little bit. With my ring finger, I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush. I'm going to open Blush Crush. It has the most neutralist pinks. I'm going to go with Lovesick right here. Really loaded that brush. So I've set the eyelids with a foundation of a light shade to help the other shades diffuse. And we'll take cheek to cheek and put it above the crease because I have hooded eyes. So just like right above the crease. Then we will take a big fluffier brush and go in with some of the pinkier shades from here. Sticking to the crease, I'm going to go in with this kind of peachy brown. And I'm going to kind of create a little line over here. So a great to create a V shape at the outer corner of your eye. It's from the corner sideways, like this, and then taking that brush and in. And then you just created a V. Because I really like this pink, I'm going to take that pink called Poodle, the flat shader brush. I'm going to shade the outer corner and in on the eyelid. About 3/4 of the eyelid, leaving this inner corner empty. With the same flat brush, wipe down, we're going to take a shimmer shade. It's going to be this one, which is a duochrome. It is called Blossom. You're going to load the brush with Blossom and the Truly Madly Deeply palette, and then just the inner corner. Pat it in, then swipe it in towards the middle. This will create a diffused look, melding it with the colors that you've already laid down. You'll do the same to the other eye. Take a denser brush, kind of like this one, and go back to Blush Crush. And take the colors that I used, like Cheek to Cheek, and do it under the lash line. Or, yeah, on the lower lash line. And you're using a condensed brush because it won't fluff all under the eye. It'll concentrate it where you want it, which is right under the lash line, not too dispersed everywhere. Using a fluffier domed brush, you can go in with the other colors that you used, like this one, which is cutouts. And now you can kind of fluff it a little bit lower. Creating a soft rosy look on your eye. Now to complete the face, I will apply my Dior Backstage Quad. I'm going to use the bronzer, some of the blush. I'm going to use this blush because it's a little matte, and then I can use either one of these kind of to highlight. But I will highlight my brow bone using these two. So I'm going to go right under. If it goes too heavy, then I can take a different brush that I used with my eyeshadow and just kind of go over it as well. I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to hit the highlight part or the bronzing part, and I'm just going to under the cheekbone fluff it on top. Then I will take a bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs bronzer, Omega Bronze. And I will take this Scott Barnes brush and just kind of do this. tap it off, and like this, I'm just going to fluff it. And then up. Just go to the perimeter. Same bronzer under the chin, on the jawline. I will take the brush, Strawberry, take this brush, tap it off, and on the cheekbone. On the cheekbone towards the back. This is a very rosy look. Rosy and pink. I will take this pink shade from the Dior Backstage and apply it at the same time on top of it in a very thin layer. Taking the same highlighter palette, I'm going to take the gold shade and use it as a highlight and apply some of the white kind of icy highlight and on top of the cheekbones. Just like that. Then I'm going to take the Becca lip gloss. It's a very rosy kind of shade. For eyeliner, I'm going to use It's Physical by MAC. It has a purpley, sparkly shade kind of eyeliner. I'm going to start at the end corner, move it towards the middle, flip it, and go on the inside out. And this, my friends, is the final look. And thank you guys for watching. If you would like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to continue watching, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notifications for any new videos that may come up. Thank you. Bye.